How to make money in GTA 5 Online. I am going to show you how you can easily make money in GTA 5 Online. The Acid Lab is one of the best ways to make money in GTA 5. It is an addition to the Drug Wars update, and it is the first business developed for solo players. You can generate up to $237,600 in profits from a full batch of Acid Lab's products, and if you install the equipment upgrade, the amount can go up to $325,000. The coolest part about the Acid Lab is that Rockstar Games provides only one vehicle to sell the batch regardless of quantity. The Cayo Perico heist can make you more money than you can imagine. If you replay, you can go home with a jaw-dropping amount of $1.5 million in under 2 hours. The replay cost only $25,000. But that is nothing compared to the big reward. Once you have scoped out the place the first time, all you need to scope out for replays is the primary target. Hack the cameras and check what is in the basement. Auto shop robbery contracts, the most underrated way to make money in GTA 5. These small-scale heists are perfect for solo players, and they can be completed in under 30 minutes. Rockstar Games offers 8 robbery contracts via the job board inside the auto shop. The payouts can be anything between these amounts. The contract consists of 2 setup missions followed by a final one. The only thing you will need to complete the missions is an auto shop business to access the contracts. Franklin Clinton's Pay Home Pay Fits are free mode missions for solo players that can be completed in a matter of minutes. Not only is it an easy way to make money solo, but it is also extremely fast. The base payout for one mission is $15,000, and you can earn an additional $75,000 bonus by following Franklin's instructions. All you have to do is to purchase and set up an agency business to unlock the missions, and you are ready to go.